Tsar Bomba, the deadliest weapon humanity has ever unleashed. This monster weighed 27 metric tons, stretched 26 feet long, and in 1961, the Soviet Union dropped it from the sky. In the video footage, you can even spot a Russian man on board the aircraft moments before release. A chilling reminder of how real this was. What followed was a 50,000 kiloton explosion, over 3,300 times more powerful than Hiroshima. It turned the sky into fire and shattered windows nearly 500 miles away. If Tsar Bomba hit a modern city today, over 7.6 million lives would vanish in seconds. That's not a warhead. It's a planet shaker. Thanks to technological improvements, we now have the cleanest, clearest footage of the blast ever captured. The moment the world saw man's ultimate destructive capability. It was built to show dominance, not to be used. But what if one day something even bigger is unleashed? Tsar Bomba. Never forget the power we hold. Let me know in the comments. What would you do if something like this dropped today? And if this blew your mind, hit like and subscribe for more.